Okay, here is my a little oak crotch bowl. I haven't done the woodworm screw hole there. I've got the flat surface. I might have to chip some of this off to put my jaws in there. It should work out well. And I'll also round the corners off, I think. Maybe I'll leave it like it is and see what I get. Okay, here's my little oak crotch mounted on the lathe. I got my 4-jaw chuck in here, and it's the smallest one. And this is going to be top, this will be bottom. And I didn't end up using the saw to round anything off because I may want to leave these features in the bowl when I am through with the bowl. So we'll see. I'm getting a little bit of flake off of the bark. I had to take a little bit off of here just to clear this part of the jaw. So in any case, there we are. Well, here's a small spalted oak crotch with a live edge that's about 5.5 on the biggest dimension and 2.5 inches tall. It came out very nicely. There's a little spalting, a little miscellaneous other colors, some very dark wood. The bark stayed on nicely. I only had to use a little bit of super glue. Didn't show any of that in the video because it was such an insignificant amount. There is some soft wood, so the surface has some areas where the sanding made dips because it was so much softer than the wood around it. But overall, it was very nice. This is finished with a tried and true finish. And I guess that's about it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.